Gotcha here, gotcha there. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just gonna go straight into the Vivian pulls right now. I'm very excited for her. Okay, it's been a long day. I've been grinding and grinding just for Vivian. Okay. Also, I want Yi Xuan as well, but that's why I have a lot of gems, a lot of Polychromes. Okay. So let's just get straight into the pulls. Okay, first pull. Okay, I will just skip all the A because why would you watch them? That's cool though. I don't have a lot of them dupes. Alright, here comes 20 pulls right here. Nope. Okay. Nice, I suppose. 30 pulls. Here goes. Okay, not 30 pulls. Double A rank again. Okay, more Piper, not bad. 40 pulls right here. 40 pulls. Nope. Okay, 50 pull. Here we go. Nothing. Okay. 60 pull. All right, here you go. 60 pull right here, guys. Come on, Vivian. Only what? Okay. 70. Surely it's on the 70. No, it's not. What? Bro. Okay, 80 for sure, right? Oh yeah, 80 for sure. Double S rank, double S rank. Okay, it's only one. It's only one. Okay, who is it? Who is it? Oh my god. Colada. Get out! I don't need Colada. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I have a lot. More content. That's fine, guys. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Well, that's a thing. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. Bro, man. Please, I need this. Okay. That's a lot of weapons. This is not even a weapon banner. Okay. Oh my goodness. Give me a lot of A rank so I can actually get some of my not the gear, okay? Not the engine. I need the character so I can actually do more pulls. There we go. Thank you. Okay. How is set not even full? I thought set is already like Cinema 6 with how much I got. What? Okay, he's finally Cinema 6. Okay. Yeah, this is probably the one. Maybe. Yep, there it is. Let's go. Triple A as well, of course. Cool, man. Bro. Nice, okay. More Piper, okay. And there is Vivian right here. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Vivian Banshee. Let's go. Brother. More Piper, what? Okay. Finally, let me just screenshot this. Because why not? This is taking me. How many pulls that? I don't know, man. But Vivian dried the hell out of me, man. Alright, now we do the freaking weapon, okay? Because I need the weapon. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know if I can get from Yi Xuan, but I'll try my best. Because I want Vivian's weapon. Surely I can get Yi Xuan, maybe? Depends. If I'm lucky, yes. This is 30 pull, right? Billy, hello. Okay, that's a lot of A ranks. That's good. I mean, I need that. Okay, man. Oh, more A rank. Let's go. I'll take that. Very fun. This is not even it. Oh my god, bro. Vivian, stop draining me. Vivian is draining me, dude. Oh my god. Okay. What happened to the sound? What happened to the sound? Alright, whatever. The background music just obliterated. Just fine. I mean, I'm not even putting the original theme song in here. No, give me the weapon. Okay, I swear this is not the right weapon. Okay. I thought for a second it is gonna be a raid off and I will be pissed. But it is not, okay? I got her weapon, let's go! Alright, this is the longest summon video I've done, man. Maybe. Holy crap, from 26k plus 51 effing search pool, you know? into like this. Like, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, dude. Vivian really did drain me. Okay then, that's all the video. I am very excited for Vivian and I'm excited to do the story quest as well. So yeah, I'm a peace out right now. See you next time.